Hello everybody. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you how to connect RadioBOSS with your broadcasting service that it's using Shoutcast. Okay, we have seen to another video how you can do that with AzuraCast. Now we're gonna see how to connect RadioBOSS with the Shoutcast. Uh, in case you want to connect Shoutcast with the RadioBOSS, you have to do the following. You see, I changed from the edit profile. I have changed here the broadcasting server to use the Shoutcast DNAS2 on the server. Okay. Now, if I go to the profile, I'm gonna see that the mount point again is the radio MP3. That's something that we have to remember because it's very important when we want to connect an external player. Remember, there is something that I didn't mention to the other video about the AzuraCast, that the auto DJ service has to be stopped. Okay, because RadioBOSS can't stop the auto DJ service. Maybe to the latest version it's gonna be able to do it, but at this version that I'm gonna show you at the moment, there is no way to stop the auto DJ service. So it's gonna if we have the auto DJ service, it's gonna say all the time that this port is in use, and we're not gonna be able to connect to the server. Let's go and see very fast. You see, we have here the broadcast service information, the port, and the source username and the password. And as I said again to other videos, if you want to use several people as DJs, you have to go to live streaming and use the streamer DJ account so that you can create different username and password for each DJ. You can even schedule what time they're gonna play and what days they're gonna be able to connect to the service, and that's a very nice option to be able to control all your DJs and the times that they're gonna be connected to your server. Let me show you now very fast how we're gonna connect with the Shoutcast. We go to settings. You see, I have 3 songs here just to play. I have the songs playing not loud, not to be heard from the speakers. You see, I have the sound down, the volume down, and there is one coming next and the one that it was before. I'm gonna stop it so that I'm gonna start it again to be able to have some songs playing here to rotate. And we go to settings, options. Over here we go to broadcast, and here I'm gonna have to add the server that I want to connect. We go to configuration wizard, and to configuration wizard we have to select the we can select the Shoutcast version 2 over here, and here it's gonna ask for the server. Let me grab this part over here. You see, that's the server. If we have the IP, we can use the IP over here, and over here it's the port. You see, that's the port over here to the broadcasting services of the Shoutcast. We just change this one, and here we're gonna use the source account. We don't have any DJs as we said before, and we're gonna just use the password that we have inside here to our panel. I'm gonna click finish, and over here I don't have to select anything else. All the other are optional. You can just click to connect. We're gonna wait for a moment, and you see that the server is connected normally. So now if we go over here, we can reload the and you see to the mount point radio mp3 it's playing. We can see normally the Shoutcast that it's working normally here, and we can see that even the public page is playing. You see, I play the song. Okay, some options that you see that the station is offline and everything. It's better to wait for a while for the metadata to be refreshed, because usually when we test the server and we change from one server to the other. Let me just make it silent maybe here. Okay, you see. When we have the service changing from Shoutcast to the AzuraCast, we have this kind of issues. But after a while, we can see that the metadata is being updated, and we have full data for our service, and we have the metadata from the songs and everything. That's how we can connect the RadioBOSS. And always, because sometimes all those things that I said about the metadata and how it communicates with the AzuraCast, it has to do even with the player that the client that we're using. To this situation, we're using the RadioBOSS 705. So that's all. That's all from me. If you want to see other ways to connect AzuraCast, if you have another program that you want to use, and I didn't mention to the other videos, please write to the comments, and I'll get back to you with a new video showcasing the way that you can connect it with AzuraCast. I just have always to remind you that the mount point is very important to many programs, and it's good to remember that sometimes when you're not able to connect, you're gonna have to use this small part to the end of this stream. Thank you very much for watching this video too, and I hope if you like this video to click the like button, and maybe subscribe to keep in touch, and why not to write a nice comment. Thank you very much. Wish you the best. Bye bye.